Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. This is a 16 by 20 inch canvas and an OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula from Good Grips. Ask me for a link if you need one. This is Fandango. I just want to spread some paint. And cover my canvas to the best of my ability. This is some wintergreen. They're both Prizm pours from Colourarte. This one depends on whether I can, yes, there we go, get it to come down or not. This is some triple sec. Helps if I open the bottle. No idea what I'm doing at all, but I'll work with whatever I get. It's a way to start. This is frog prints. I think this is a primary element. For some reason I saw something of a different color in there. It's very similar. It does not matter. So this is Frozen. A copious amount of it. And I think I better shake the cerulean blue. As I recall, it separates. No paint chips allowed. Let's go over here. I saw something land in there. Keep your eyes peeled for UFOs or UFs or whatever. That was bad. So I really do like to throw a little red violet in with things, so that's what I'm going to do. And then I'm just going to spread paint to the best of my ability. Whether I want some white or not is beyond me. I'm not sure right now. I want something darker green. Do I have something darker green? That is the question. I have a couple of things. I have Misty Olive. Oh yeah, that's perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. I won't worry about the rest. The other is, there's a pine. And there's a green tea, which I'll pull forward just in case I might want some. And I thought I felt something go in there. Yes, I see something. There may be more. I pulled out some Midnight Shadow. I'm not sure I shook it or not. And I'm going to add some Frozen Amethyst. Not sure what I'm going to do with that canvasy spot. Sometimes the paint just won't cover. I haven't figured out why that could be. Like there. Thinking I like that purple. As much as I like the Frozen. I'm trying to see where the paint is landing so I can then go back and spread it more effectively. Nothing in mind particularly yet, except for covering the canvas. I'm going to throw a little more red violet in here, along with some deep amethyst and some periwinkle. I'm feeling like, for whatever reason, putting some Frozen in that gap. And then if the paint's still wet, I might decide to add some things over some things. I might decide to do that sooner than later, actually, because I haven't really tried it particularly seriously. And it seems to work out pretty nicely, with the exception of finding things I don't want in there. I like swiping through with the spatula and discovering colors that are languishing underneath. I also like using the spatula to create patterns. Not sure what's up with the canvas, but it's kind of fun to play with. I've got some dancing fuchsia and it might come into play. I might have to try a little bit of it. And mix with it maybe periwinkle. I forgot I had that spatula scrape up there. I haven't used any water lily and I think that would blend really well. In a couple of places. quite like that. I'm not done. But I might be a lot more done than I thought I was. I like the little drag marks. I think I want some more periwinkle to try and cover these couple spots. I'm not sure I should do it with the paint I've got on my spatula though. Still wound up with some green. That's actually very attractive as far as I'm concerned. I'm not sure I'm done though. I don't want to overdo it. But I really like how the red violet looks with the greens. And anything that I still consider less done than it should be is open to options tomorrow, I guess. Although I still have a little time. And I like this midnight shadow. Sort of following the curves of what's there already. In this case, trying to get that red violet off of the edge of my spatula. I can do that with a silicone brush. If my hands will cooperate. There, I like that little accent. Where else can I put some of that? I want it to be subtle. Stop turning. That's cool. I think that works. Take the rest of my paint and put it on the edge of the canvas. And it's either done or a stage one, and I like it so much it could be done. These colors were just singing to me for the last couple days. So for right now, I think I'm going to call it good. Am I? I'm kind of craving some Whispering Wisteria, to tell you the truth. It's not very open, but it's a little open. And that kind of makes me think maybe I could put some dots in as well if I wanted to. probably won't even show up because it's very sheer. I got one little canvasy spot left. I'm gonna fix that right now. But I'm good. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel. And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions, it will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, Volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.